If you're wondering how to make a LeadPages page load faster, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover a few tricks and tips to help you speed things up. But be warned, I'll also reveal how LeadPages stacks up against a few alternatives, and you'll want to hear about that by the end. First thing you want to check is your page's image size. Large, unoptimized images are often the top culprit behind slow loading times. In LeadPages, you can easily optimize images before uploading or resize them to keep things light. Use tools like TinyPNG to compress them without losing quality. This step alone could shave a few seconds off your loading time. Next thing to focus on is your page's use of custom code. Adding too many custom elements, like extra JavaScript or CSS, can bog down your page. While LeadPages gives you a lot of flexibility with custom code, it's essential to be mindful of how many scripts you're adding. Keep it minimal, only use what's necessary, and you'll keep things running faster. The third thing to consider is the use of external plugins or third-party integrations. Sometimes these can load slowly depending on the source. If you're using third-party scripts like tracking codes or pop-ups, check how long they take to load. It's always a good idea to test your page's load time with and without these integrations to see the difference. Now let's talk about caching. Caching can make a huge difference in how quickly your pages load. LeadPages does offer some built-in caching, but it's essential to also utilize browser caching. This way, once a user visits your page, the browser stores parts of the page so it loads faster on subsequent visits. You can adjust your settings to take full advantage of this. The next thing you can do is to simplify your page design. The more elements on a page, buttons, images, animations, the longer it will take to load. Keep your design clean and minimal. Opt for fewer but more impactful visuals to get your message across faster. Finally, if after all these steps, you're still not seeing the speed improvement you'd like, it might be time to explore alternatives. LeadPages, while a great tool, doesn't always prioritize speed in comparison to some competitors out there. I'll be recommending a competitor at the end that not only has better load times, but also offers some unique features that make it a great choice for speed-focused landing pages. Before I get to that, though, if you're looking to give LeadPages a try, make sure you don't miss the exclusive and AMP, extended free trial we've set up just for you. Plus, I'll share some other amazing alternatives with better speed performance, all with free trials too. Through our link, you'll get the best trial offers and some exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Stick around until the end to check them out.